Welcome to Summarize Science. Today we are looking at a breakthrough in how computers solve some of the most difficult puzzles in the world. Combinatorial optimization problems are everywhere, from deciding the best route for a delivery truck to scheduling thousands of employees. The researchers behind this paper present a new tool called cuGenOpt, designed to make these calculations much faster using graphics cards, or GPUs. The problem is that current methods usually force a trade-off. Exact methods take too long on big problems, and specialized solvers only work for one specific task. Metaheuristics offer more flexibility, but they often run slowly on traditional computer processors. cuGenOpt aims to solve all three issues at once: speed, flexibility, and ease of use. By moving the heavy lifting to the GPU, the framework can evaluate millions of possibilities in a fraction of the time. This table shows how cuGenOpt compares to existing tools, highlighting its unique ability to handle many problem types while remaining accessible to users. The framework is built in layers, starting with a user layer where a person defines their problem. The core engine then takes that definition and turns it into a high-performance program that the graphics card can understand. This allows for a one-block-evolves-one-solution approach, where different parts of the GPU work on different parts of the puzzle independently. This diagram illustrates the parallel execution model, showing how 128 different threads can sample and evaluate candidate moves at the same time. By having so many parts working together, the system can find near-perfect solutions much faster than a standard computer could. One of the smartest features is called adaptive operator selection. As the program runs, it keeps track of which strategies are actually working to solve the specific problem at hand. It then shifts its focus toward the most successful methods, effectively learning the best way to reach the finish line as it goes. The system is also hardware-aware, meaning it checks the specific model of your graphics card to optimize its performance. If the problem is too big for the fast-on-chip memory, it automatically finds the best alternative path to keep things moving smoothly. To make it easy for everyone, the researchers created a Python interface. This means users can write simple code in a popular language, and the framework handles all the complex background math on the GPU automatically. The researchers even included an AI modeling assistant. A user can describe a problem in plain English, and the assistant can help generate the math code needed to solve it. This significantly lowers the barrier for people who aren't experts in high-performance programming. In testing, cuGenOpt outperformed standard solvers by massive margins, often finding better solutions in seconds that would take other programs minutes or hours. It proved highly effective at solving the famous traveling salesman problem and other complex logistics challenges. In summary, the researchers have created a framework that is general-purpose, high-performance, and user-friendly. They combine smart hardware management with an adaptive search strategy that evolves during the calculation. This could mean that in the future, even small companies can use super-fast optimization to save fuel, time, and money. The project is open source, inviting the global community to help expand its capabilities even further. Thanks for watching Summarize Science.